Today we're gonna be making chicken parm. All right, first we're gonna dice one onion. Once our onion's been completely diced, we're just gonna wanna set this aside. Now let's dice some garlic. Once our garlic's been completely diced, set this aside in a bowl. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add your bowl of diced onions, along with your bowl of diced garlic. And give that a good stir. You want to cook your onions and garlic until they brown. Once your onions and garlic have turned a light brown, add together a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then give that a good mix. Once your onions and garlic have completely absorbed the tomato paste, you want to turn this heat down just a little bit. Then add in 1 full can of crushed tomatoes. Then add in a ½ teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of some black pepper. Give your sauce a good mix. Then add in a pinch of sugar. Then you're gonna want to let your sauce simmer for about 10 minutes. First, you're just gonna want to cut each of your chicken breasts in half. Just like this. Then place your chicken breasts on the countertop with some foil over it and tenderize the breasts. Once they're fully tenderized, set your chicken breasts aside. Then just bring out 3 plates for your dredging. First, eggs. Make sure to make an egg wash. Then flour. And finally, breadcrumbs. It should look like this. Now we're just gonna dredge your chicken breasts. After 10 minutes, you want to transfer your homemade marinara sauce to a smaller pot. To a medium saucepan, add together another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're just going to sear our chicken breasts for only a couple minutes. We only want to cook our chicken halfway because we're going to bake it at the end. Now we're just gonna take each of our breaded chicken and place them on a pan. Just like this. Then we're just gonna coat each chicken in our homemade marinara sauce. Then we're just gonna wanna coat our chicken in the slabs of mozzarella. Now we're just gonna bake these at an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. You will never find a better chicken parm recipe. Oh my god, that is so good.